While applying the principle of horizontal reservation, category has a role to play as to the point of time when horizontal reservation is to be pressed, then based on merit candidates in question are to be adjusted in their respective social category. Full stop. A candidate who has proceeded to make an application for the purposes of horizontal reservation and under the OBC oblique SC oblique ST category cannot be permitted to change his oblique her category, whereas in vertical reservation, once you are selected on merit, such a change is permissible by operation of law, subject to his oblique her desire to remain as a general candidate. Full stop. Apex Court in the case of Ritesh Shah versus Dr. Y.L. Yamul 1996 within bracket 3 SCC 253 also took the view that candidate belonging to reserved category who could be admitted on the basis of open merit should be treated as open category candidate for the purposes of computing reservation, but they should be given their first option for admission to graduate oblique postgraduate courses in colleges where seats are kept for reserved category, and thereafter less meritorious candidates be considered for admission in whichever college reserve seat is available. Full stop. Subsection within bracket 5 of section 4 of 2006 Act is in line with the aforesaid judgment of Apex Court, as meritorious candidate has been given an option to remain as a general candidate or to exercise his option for the reserved seats. Full stop. His oblique her merit as a general candidate would give a larger choice, that is to opt for unreserved seat, and can also go in for reserved category seats. Full stop. Stanza. In view of this, once a candidate has specified his oblique her category in reference to special reservation, then he oblique C has to be adjusted in their respective categories, and the reserved category candidate in horizontal reservation cannot ask for placement against open category by claiming that they have higher merit, in as much as at the point of time of providing horizontal reservation adjustment is to be made, then various adjustments is required to be done as per the formula that has been approved and ratified by the Apex Court. Full stop. In the matter of horizontal reservation, adjustment would be made by making appropriate placement in appropriate categories. Full stop. The Apex Court was conscious of this fact that such a person may be subjected to misuse, and accordingly position was sought to be clarified by giving examples and then providing that if horizontal reservation is not satisfied, then alone requisite number of special reservation candidate have to be taken and accommodated oblique adjusted against their respective social reservation categories. Full stop. Here before us during the course of arguments, this fact has been considered that while applying the principle of horizontal reservation, the criteria prescribed for vertical reservation has been adhered to in as much as opposite party number 5 was higher in merit, and in view of this she has been called based on her state rank at earlier point of time than at the said point of time as one seat at GSVM Medical College Kanpur reserved for NCC OBC stood filled up. The second NCC open category seat, which was lying vacant, has been offered to her stock.